and two lines of symmetry. In this module, you will learn about the figures with one and two lines of symmetry. Consider two identical set squares having angles of measure 60 degrees, 30 degrees and 90 degrees. Place them side by side in such a way that they form a kite. You can fold this kite such that both the halves of kite fit exactly on one another. You can say that both halves of the kite are symmetrical and the line of fold is called the line of symmetry. If you fold it in any other way, it will not be symmetrical. Thus, a kite has only one line of symmetry. Consider an angle of any measure. If you fold it along its bisector, you observe that the two halves of the angle are exactly same. Thus, an angle has one line of symmetry represented by its bisector. Similarly, if you fold an isosceles triangle along the bisector of the included angle between the equal sides, you will notice that the two halves of the triangle overlap each other exactly. Thus, an isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. Consider an isosceles trapezium. If you fold the trapezium along the line joining the midpoints of its parallel sides, you can see that the two halves of the trapezium are symmetrical, as the two halves of the trapezium fit exactly one over the other. Similarly, a semicircle has one line of symmetry that represents the perpendicular bisector of its diameter. An arrowhead, when folded along its diagonal, the two halves overlap each other, indicating that the diagonal line is the line of symmetry. Now, consider a rectangular piece of paper. Fold it along its length so that one of its halves fits exactly over the other. This line of fold represents the line of symmetry as the two halves overlap each other. Now, unfold the rectangular piece of paper and again fold it along its breadth such that one of its halves fits exactly over the other. This line of fold also represents the line of symmetry as the two halves overlap each other. Thus, a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Similarly, a rhombus is symmetrical about its two diagonals. The two diagonals represent the two lines of symmetry of rhombus. In this module, you have learnt about the figures with one and two lines of symmetry.